Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the PDP Victrix Pro BFG controller. This is a highly customizable pro gamepad that promises a lot for both PlayStation and PC gamers. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Victrix Pro BFG impresses with its modular approach. You can customize nearly everything about it. From the face buttons arrangement to the analog sticks and even the D-pad, it's all swappable and adjustable. The build quality feels robust, with a good grip that's comfortable during long gaming sessions. One of the standout features is its modular design. You can switch analog stick positions between PS and Xbox style layouts. Adjust the height of the sticks, and even change the shape of the D-pad. The included fight pad with ultra-tactile microswitches is a game-changer for fighting game enthusiasts, offering a real arcade-like experience. In terms of performance, the Pro BFG doesn't disappoint. It's responsive, with adjustable trigger stops and customizable paddle switches on the back. Whether you're into FPS or fighting games, this controller caters to competitive gamers looking for precision and flexibility. Navigating the Victrix Control Hub software is surprisingly straightforward. You can customize trigger dead zones, remap buttons, and adjust audio settings. The ability to invert analog sticks on a hardware level is a neat addition for those who prefer it. Thanks to its lack of haptics, the Pro BFG boasts an impressive battery life. Charging once a week is sufficient for most gamers. And the included USB-C cable makes it convenient to play while charging. So, should you consider the PDP Victrix Pro BFG controller? If you're a PlayStation or PC gamer who values customization and competitive edge over haptic feedback, then absolutely. It excels in offering granular customization and solid performance across various game genres. That wraps up our review of the PDP Victrix Pro BFG controller. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.